Today on
Get
Ford
color,
on
color
Ford.
base, get the shimmer and stuff, and I'll finish it up. I just stopped in the middle. That right there just making me, yeah.
Ride on our knees. Biatch.
Well, when you forget to wipe down the cab with acetone, this is what you get. Fish eyes, fish eyes, fish eyes up there in this corner. Besides, the runs, when you wipe down the jams, you don't get no runs. You get perfectly laid paint. Well, that's what happens when you make mistakes. I forgot, and my behind. Nobody to blame but me. Now I got to go back in and sand down the whole cab again, but I'm gonna use this as a base primer. So these are the mistakes. Be honest, to make the mistakes. And check the tip of your gun. Make sure you check the tip of your gun, because don't make the mistake I did and get a new gun and put a different tip in it, and you get runs all over the place. But good thing, this is a base coat, so it is what it is. It's base, and we gonna work it out that way. All the paint got ruined on the inside because when I wiped it down, I had cleaned some stuff, or somebody cleaned some stuff in here for me. And I think some overspray got over stuff. I forgot to wipe it down, but that's my bad. But that's just the base coat, so I'm glad it's on the base. I caught it now. So yeah, I'll fix it up later. Get other coat of base, get the shimmer and stuff, and I'll finish it up. I just stopped in the middle. That right there just making me, yeah. So yeah, that was that. So all right, that's when you wipe down the door. But